Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Feedly for finding niche offers for affiliates, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type Feedly into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Feedly website link. Once on the website, look for the sign up or get started button. Choose to sign up with either your Google account, Facebook, or email. If using email, fill in your details and create a password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your Feedly account. Return to the Feedly website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will see an option to create your first feed. Click on Add Content in the sidebar. In the search bar, enter keywords related to your niche. Browse through the suggested sources and articles. Select the sources that align with your affiliate interests and click Follow. You can categorize your feeds by creating boards. To create a board, click on the New Board option. Name your board according to the niche you are focusing on. Once you have created your board, drag and drop your selected sources into it. To enhance your research, explore additional features like tags and notes. To stay updated, check your Feedly regularly for new content. You can also customize notifications for new posts from your selected sources. Consider integrating Feedly with other tools for productivity enhancements. Keep refining your feeds as you discover more niche offers. Utilize the information gathered to drive your affiliate marketing strategies effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.